up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake 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 up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of
as Christmas is coming. The Christmas is coming. I am somewhere unknown location and I'm so happy. You can see how I am glowing. By the way, I never knew I am this handsome. So I want to give you a very short tour about this place that I am in. And this is the first bedroom. Yeah, first bedroom, not the master bedroom. And I believe this is an Airbnb in Paris West in Kilimani. It is my first time coming to this place, specifically this building. You can see from the window. Whereby we have spacious car parking and yes. So let me take you to for a room tour. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, and it is very affordable. I can say cheap to some people, and also affordable to others. People like me. I hope you'll appreciate. You'll love this video. You will appreciate anything and everything, right? And make sure make yourself available to also visit this place. Yeah, so let's go into the video. This is the first bedroom, whereby they have very amazing curtains, very good in fabric. You can feel the fabric itself. At this amazing mini balcony at this place. Mini balcony. Yes. You also have this iron board where you can iron your clothes. Yes. They have this dustbin for you. Whereby you can put your trashes. The bed is well neat and well put. They also have this carpet for cleanliness. Then you have this the wardrobe. This is where you put your clothes, you hang your clothes. You have this one. Here you can put your belongings. So have here whereby for privacy things, you put things like electronics. Yes, and this door they close so well. This is the first room. You see how it looks. Now this is the second room, the master bedroom. The master bedroom, whereby when you just enter into this room, the first thing you meet is your master bed, whereby it is well arranged and well put. Whereby you have 4 pillows. Yeah, for the 2 people. If you are couples, if you are one person, you can enjoy the whole bed alone. So on my left, we have this place here, whereby there are cupboards, these mini cupboards where you can put your belongings. Yes, we have an iron box. You remember the other room has the iron box, so yeah, here is where you put your clothes. Yes, your vest. Okay. You also have this. And here we have the bathroom and the toilet too. Have a speaker. I believe that's a speaker. or something like what's the, maybe it's a speaker. This is a air refreshener, not a speaker. And we have this amazing mirror whereby you check yourself, you can look yourself, whether you look like I'm doing. How do I look? Yeah. Yes. This is the bathroom itself, whereby it is very well sealed with glass doors. That's where you do your businesses. You do your business, you get clean. Yeah. They have these mats, whereby after showering, you do your thing. This is the toilet. You see how it looks very clean, sparkling clean, no dirt. Yes, health is well too. Yeah. When you close this door, when you are inside here, no one you don't hear noises from outside. Here's where you it is said the toilet is where people make good decisions, is where people just relax, is where people just find peace. And I agree to that. When you have such an environment, hmm, you love it. Then we have the master himself. Yes, the curtains all the same, just like from the other group, from the other room. Uh-huh. You have a very amazing view. Very amazing view, the curtains. The floor is very clean. Beside your bed, uh, you have this mini cupboard whereby you can put your belongings, your phones, anything that you have that you feel like you should put there. The bed is well put, not at some corner, but at the center of the house, at the center of the room. Yeah, this is not that normal arrangement whereby the bed should the bed the bed must be at the corner. You can look the lighting. And here we have the second bathroom stroke toilet, and this section we have whereby we have a sitting area where people have let's say this is the the dining table. And here we have the kitchen, and where you place your utensils. Here is the gas where you cook. We have the toaster, we have the microwave. This is the generally the kitchen area. And then we have, you can see the dining table. This is where you put your utensils, the plates, the forks, the cups, everything kitchen. You can see, you still see the dining table whereby these are four is a four-seater. Take a look of this kitchen area. You have everything that you need in this building, in this room, in this two bedroom apartment. You also have these flowers here whereby they are just for beautification, beautifying your room and making it look so lively. You have this massive big this TV set. We have now the flowers. For those people that like flowers, this is for you. Then the same curtains from up to down. You can see the lighting. That's a sneak peek of even the window, how massive it is from the outside. Whereby if you need just the natural light, you get it. We have the flowers still. This room is wow, but these are plastics. You can see the chandelier for this house, for this room. Wow. Now look at that view. Then we have the art on the wall. Wow, you can't say enough of this thing. This camera is not doing enough justice to everything that is happening in this house. Now this is the fabric, the chair. Now this is the TV, the table. We have my friend there, Jose. Then we have an empty fridge. Yes, you have to come with the things whenever anything that you want, drinks and water. Then you have the balcony. We have the AC. This is the balcony from. You have the washing machine just waiting for you to use them. Yes. So this again is the kitchen. My friend, this is the house that you need. Look at the chandelier. Look at everything that just happening in this room. Look at the lighting. Man. Step one. Guys, that has been the room tour to this place. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope yeah, you've loved the place and the content too. Yeah, this is something different from the normal things that I usually do, but it also it's under my niche. Yeah, so remember to subscribe to this channel, comment, give ideas, suggest places that and the type of videos that you want me to be bringing to you. Yes, like this video, also share with others too, so that we can reach so many people. Thank you again for watching, for liking, and for your support. Yes. Until next time, we shall meet again. Yeah.